What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They are $129.99. They come in white, black, and canary yellow. And if you want to pick them up, I'll link them down below. If you pre-order the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, you get these white pair for free. Now, inside the box, this is what you're going to find. You got here the Buds and the battery case. And you'll get up to 6 hours of playtime with the Buds. And then you also get this box right here that's going to contain, you get a bunch of different earbuds, a USB Type-C cable, and then this is the case right here. It says Samsung. You get your LED indicator, you get your charging port, which is USB-C, and that's about it. Opens up really simple and really easy. You can see these, again, they're the white ones. They will come out with yellow and black as well. So first thing you want to do on these is download the Galaxy Wearable App. Download that no matter what phone you have and install it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect these earbuds. My phone's on, Bluetooth is on as well. I'm going to just open up these earbuds and they're going to automatically show up on my phone, as you can see right here. It says Galaxy Buds. Just hit connect. Now, I've connected these previously and I wasn't recording, but now we're good. I'm recording, so it's pretty much the same process. Basically, you do an update and just hit next on a bunch of things. All right, guys, so we're just gonna run through this app. So first off, on the top, you can see the battery percentage for your earbuds, the left and the right. You can also click on tips and it'll give you, tips on how to use your earbuds, which is great. I'm glad they added that in there. Next up, you'll see the equalizer. This is gonna be where you can set the different sound of your music if you want it dynamic, which is basically a mixture of everything with really good volume on there. So for me, I thought dynamic sounds the loudest, which I always want in my headphones. You also have more treble if you want. You have clear, soft, and also bass boost, but I felt like dynamic was the best overall. Next is notifications. You can go in here and manage your notifications in terms of hearing the sounds through the headphones for certain notifications. So if you want to hear notifications from, let's see, Discord, just turn that on and you'll hear them. Otherwise, if it's off, you won't hear them in the earbud. Read aloud while using the phone, so basically it'll read aloud the notification. If you have this turned on, read aloud the notification while using your phone. For instance, if you're playing volume, if you have playing music or something, it would still read that notification aloud to you. Next up, Touchpad. This is going to be walking you through how to use your headphones if you need to. You can also lock the touchpad so that when you touch the touchpad, nothing will happen. On the bottom here, you'll see left and right. That's going to be giving you the ability to customize when you touch and hold what it does. So with voice command, you can either do Alexa, Bixby, or Google Assistant. And you can also change it to quick ambient sound, which allows you to hear
I'm not sure about that.
Look at her, always getting into my biz. And next up is quick ambient sound, which will allow you to hear what's going on around you and your surroundings just by pressing and holding on the earbud. And you also have volume down, and then you have the same thing on the right earbud, except for volume up would be different than volume down. Next up, ambient sound. So within ambient sound, you can have this turned on to allow you to always hear what's going around your surroundings pretty much. And then you can set the volume for it, and then you can make your voice focus if you want to hear voices more clearly distinct versus other sounds in there. Find My Earbuds is going to allow you to find your earbuds. So if they're lost, you can press the find, you can hit start basically, and it will make a little noise from these earbuds and allow you to kind of beep them in a way. So it gets kind of loud, but you have to be near it in order to tell what's, where they are. You won't be like a mile away and be able to hear them. Next up is About Earbuds. This is where you can update the earbud software. You can download, install, or auto-download it. And I already had an update for you. You'll all get an update right when you get them brand new. You can also reset them. You get more tips, another place for tips, I should say. You can change the device name, or you can at least see what the device name is right there. And then you can also see About. And that's pretty much it for the app for the Galaxy Buds. All right, guys, so I've been using these for a little bit now, and the Samsung Galaxy Buds, I can explain them in 3 simple words. They just work, and it's probably what I love about them best is that they're really simple to set up. You saw the setup. They're really easy to use. You pull them out, put them in your ears, play music, and they automatically connect. You don't have to turn them on. Just taking them out of the case turns them on, and to turn them off, just put them back in the case. That's it. And when they're in the case, they charge. So they're so simple and easy to use and to set up. I feel like they fit every demographic from, kids all the way to adults or like old adults. So it's amazing. I think they're a fantastic product. As for the sound, which is the biggest thing I think when you use these, because that's what you're using them for, is the sound, and the sound is excellent. I have no problems with the sound. The volume is good, the bass is good, the clarity is good, the treble is good. So I have absolutely, again, no problems with them at all. As for, the microphone that's built into these, so if you want to use them with the phone, or if you just want to use them like with the video chat or whatever, they sound great. They sound just like as if you were, talking on the phone, holding it up to your ear. I haven't noticed any issues with that, so I was impressed with that as well. Using the touchpads is really simplistic. Press it once to play, pause the track. Double press it to go to the next track, triple press it to go to the previous track, and so on and so forth to end calls, or start calls, whatever it may be. They're really simple to use, so I love that. Being able to wirelessly charge these is a big bonus, because if you have a Galaxy S10, you can put it on the back of them if they're completely dead, and get some battery juice into these, and you can use them again, or plug them in via USB-C, or just put them on a regular plain old wireless charger. That simple, that easy. Everything about these is simple and easy because they just work. As for comfort and reliability, they feel like they're gonna stay in your ears. They don't feel like they're gonna fall out, have it be when you're walking or running. They just feel like they're snug and tug in there. As for comfort, I wouldn't say they're the most comfortable earphones or headphones that I've ever worn, but they definitely get the job done with comfort. They're not too bad. If you want to pick these up, I will link them down below. I definitely recommend getting these. You will not be disappointed in these Samsung Galaxy Buds. They hit a home run. Could they have added storage in here to allow you to use them separately from a device? Yeah, wouldn't have been a bad thing. But some people have smartwatches and they can do it that way instead, to get music without having to use their phone. So that's probably like the one knock they don't have, is they don't have internal storage. And obviously they could have battery life that was 20 hours or 30 hours, and that would be amazing too. But other than that, they're amazing. They're a really cool product, and I give you a huge thumbs up for it, Samsung. You did a fantastic job. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you down the road. Peace!